as Diwali is round the corner, we are all very busy with our Diwali preparations, aren't we? So let us in this video discuss or talk or maybe see what we can do to involve our children in these Diwali preparations. I have been an advocate of this, that kids should participate in the preparations, right? So let us see some easy peasy techniques where they can help you to maybe plate some sweets, maybe make a lantern, maybe paint a diya, or maybe make some beautiful vases using flowers. So let's get started. We will be first doing some diya painting. So for that we have some diyas, some paint brush, and some earbuds. We will be doing some very simple designs and not so complicated ones or some complex ones, so that it's easy for your child to do. For that, we will be first painting the diya with a base color. Try and use a darker color for the base and a lighter color to work on that. So we are using this red color to paint the diya completely. We have also painted one diya already so that it can be dried. So we need to paint it exactly like this. So we are painting the diya. The base color we have taken as red. So as you can see, our diya is painted. We have used red color and it is dried. So now we take a lighter color which is white and use earbuds to paint it. Let's start seeing how we do it. So this is white color. Red and white is a wonderful combination and one of my favorite. So we took the earbuds and we can start making small dots. You need to be careful, otherwise it will spread. It is just that we are doing white dots on the edges. See how beautiful it looks, right? It was a very simple thing to be done, but it looked amazing. Now we shall proceed with the second one. Now we will be making a paper lantern. We need a paper. We are using a glitter sheet, a stapler, and few strips of a royal blue color, because this combination will look beautiful, right? Now we will also be needing a scissor for this, and we will need a scissor as well. Let us start. We take the paper, fold it. हमने उसे उल्टा करके fold कर लिया है to make it into two equal halves. Now we will start cutting the sheet. See, जिस साइड से वो joint नहीं है, वहां से आप उसको पतली strips. You start cutting strips from this end. See, वो पेपर के end तक नहीं हम उसको काट रहे हैं. We are just cutting it till the margin. So see how we have made the cuts. Now we will unfold the paper and उसको reverse करके वापस हम fold कर देंगे. उसके बाद हमने उसको सीधा किया and we will join the ends. See how beautiful these cuts are looking, right? Now we will staple the ends. See, अब दोनों sides आपने staple किया. After stapling it from two ends, how nicely these cuts are coming, and it is giving it the look of a lantern. Right? We will be showing you one of these. We have already made one. Now what you can do is join one end and staple it. Yes, see, we are holding this and stapling it. See, right? इस तरीके से आप सारों को staple कर सकते हैं. We have one which we have already done. See, this will be the final look. Correct. It is looking beautiful. Now we will take those purple strips which we have cut and will staple अंदर की तरफ से हम उसको फिर से स्टेपल कर देंगे. Yes, your child might need assistance while stapling it. See how beautiful it is looking. See how beautiful these lanterns are looking, right? Now let's get into some decorations. We have some flowers, marigold flowers of different shades, right? Vase, some green leaves, and some kebab sticks. You can easily get these kebab sticks in the market. Now what we will do is take a leaf, make some folds alternatively. एक तरफ फिर इसको घुमाकर दूसरी तरफ. See, we are constantly making these folds. After you're done with the fold, take a kebab stick and insert it. उसके बाद you spread that. And on the top of it, we can insert a flower. See how beautiful it is looking. So now we can make many of these and use it to decorate the vase. See how beautiful it is looking, right? If you make this, it's giving a personal touch and it will look so beautiful in any of the corners of the house. What is Diwali without sweets? These are some yummy sweets which we will be plating it so that our guests are very happy seeing the decor and it adds to the taste. First we will be plating Kaju ki barfi. We took few of them and we are trying to make some floral arrangements so that these looks like the petals of a flower. It is looking like petals of the flower and we have put a flower. So see how beautiful it is looking, right? Now some mouth melting motichur ke laddu. इसके साथ भी हम कुछ floral arrangements कर सकते हैं. You know, when kids do these, they feel very, very important and feel that, you know, जब वो कुछ करते हैं, their parents will be happy and when the guests come, they can serve it to them so that they will be like happy seeing their work. So let me tell you, they should do it and they should definitely be appreciated. ये हुई ना बात, कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. यहाँ से तो कोई भी लेकर खाने को राजी हो जाएगा. Isn't it looking beautiful? So we did some decor, some yummy food, we painted the diya, we made the lantern. Now let us assemble them on a table and see how beautiful it looks. See how beautiful it looks. We have used a dupatta which was in the house. We have used a lahariya dupatta. You can use a Banarasi dupatta. Here are the sweets which we had plated. This is the diya which we had painted. This is the vase we had made with the help of the flowers, you know, flowers and the green leaves. And these are our beautiful lanterns. See how beautiful they look. This is kind of an achievement if a child does it and it makes them very, very happy in the festival. They will be so happy when they light the diya which they had painted, and these on your balconies, oh my god, they are going to really see it with pride and show it to everyone. So with this Diwali video, I would like to wish all of you a very happy and radiant Diwali. Stay well, stay safe and enjoy. Happy Diwali. Thank you so much.